I'm reviewing my free sample wireless headphones RYWH03. So I have them on here and I just love them. Let me start by saying they have here 3 different size of earbuds for small, medium and large. The device has instructions, they charge it, and it charges very fast. It has up to 150 hours playtime, as you can see here. So it has a built-in microphone. The fit is very gentle. You can have lightweight, is fast charging. You can switch between calls, even get like the first call, the second call, hang up, switch between them, listen to your music, listen to your audiobook while you work out, and is waterproof or sweat resistant if you're working out. Other than that, you turn it on here, like the red is low charge, the blue is that is on. And other than that, it's a great thing to have if you like to wear your headphones and work out. Thank you for watching.